if your raw data set is vertically aligned this way, this is how you divvy up in such a way that the data set is being displayed in a nice tabular format. Note that I have 5 fields in my data set. Name, which is coinciding to this guy here. Sex is here. Age is the next field. Height and weight, and it starts with name again. So this is how you use the wrap row formula. Equal wrap rows is a plural with a S. Open parenthesis. Then you highlight all the raw data set. And like I said, I have 5 fields: name, sex, age, height, and weight. That's why I'm going to put 5 here. And then it will organize it nicely for you from the raw to the nicely tabular format. What if your data set is in a horizontal format this way? Same organization: name, sex, age, height, and weight. And then name starts again. Again, you use the same formula. Equal wrap rows with a S, open parenthesis, highlight the whole raw data set, and you're gonna put comma 5 here because I have 5 fields, and hit enter, and you organize it nicely for you. There's another thing you can do with wrap row is that you can actually flip this from horizontal to vertical. Use the formula equal wrap rows, open parenthesis, and you highlight your raw data set. And instead of saying 5 here, which we did previously, you say 1 like that, and you hit enter. You can see that the data set have been flipped from horizontal to vertical. What if your table is not horizontally aligned and instead is organized this way? So you're gonna have to use a separate formula called wrap column. So equal wrap column with a S, open parenthesis, do the same thing, highlight all the raw data set, and I know I have 5 fields: name, sex, age, height, and weight, comma 5, close parenthesis, and then the output will be a nicely organized horizontal table. And what if you have a raw data set that's horizontal? Previously we dealt vertical, horizontal. Wrap column with a S, open parenthesis, highlight the raw data set, and then over here you're gonna put comma 5 to indicate 5 fields and close parenthesis, and hit enter. The last demonstration I want to give you about wrap column and wrap row is error handling. I'm going to use a date, or rather a month here. There are 12 months here. And let's say if you were to use a formula equal to wrap rows, open parenthesis, you want to organize it in a nice 5-column table. Do this. You'll notice that towards the end, you have a couple of NA because there's 5 columns we're organizing this way. And there's only 12 months and they're expecting 15 sets of data in it. So how do you deal with this rather than seeing this ugly NA? What you do is you go back to your original cell where you did the wrap row, and in here, as part of the last argument here, you can put whatever you want. Let's say if you don't want to see this unsightly pound NA, you're going to put double quote with nothing in it, and you'll get rid of it. And for some reason, if you want to show something rather than nothing, maybe you want to put the word blank, and you'll be filled up with blanks.